Hey guys, CloudJumper here. As you can see, I have a new set of tires mounted on my KTM 890 Adventure. I removed the AVON Trailriders that were stuck on the bike. They got worn out. There was some 2 millimeters of the depth of the tread left on the rear tire after 6,500 kilometers. The legal minimum is 1.5 millimeters, so instead of changing it in the middle of the season, I switched now. As you can see, I am trying to scrap them, basically removing all the foil or whatever it is on new tires that makes us fall down. There's something on new tire that makes them slick and, well, basically very unpredictable, sticking to the ground. I tried some mild off-road, like going down and uphill and in all this mud, going there and back while adding more throttle to spin the rear tire, using brakes on both rear and front, to scratch everything out, and also to test what the Continental Trail Attack 3 is capable of. I have to say, not much off-road though. On the road, I'm pretty sure these are awesome. Off-road, as you will see, it's not very good tire. All the mud here is frozen. Well, on the places not frozen, it's wet. And the tire doesn't like wet. The tire likes hard surface. The tire likes firm, solid ground. If there is a gravel or stones or anything on the firm, solid under surface, the tire is fine, but the moment you get into some mud, wet grass, water or something like that, no, this is not a full tire. There's no lateral grip, there's nothing like that. On the other hand, I wanted something like those AVONs, so I get what I wanted. Look here, the moment I get into the mud, the bike wobbles and the rear spin just spins and spins because there's no forward traction on the tire. Look again, I'm going into the watery mud, and the moment I get there, I'm slowed and the bike just spins its rear wheel. You can see the tire is very round, very slick, and it will be awesome on hard surface, basically on asphalt, tarmac, everything like that. Hello beauty. As you can see, the moment I got from the mud, I tried to get some of the mud from the bike because, well, I don't want my bike to slip on tarmac, on asphalt. Here, this is like 30 minutes later, I found this forest road and I tried to go on it, through it, to see what's in the top and to make some further testing of off-road capabilities of these tires. I hoped I'll find some snow on the top, and my wish was granted. It was. We will see. This was first taste of snow with Continental Trail Attack 3. The moment the rear tire was on the snow, it lost traction. No forward movement, no side stability. It was, well, like it was super slick and wet and filled with grease or something. You can see it here. I'm going some 20-30 kilometers. I'm slowing. the bike loses control because there's no traction on the rear tire, and I stop and going down while spinning the rear wheel. Yeah, I pushed it to the side to some place with gravel and rocks and mud and something that my tires can get grip on. I put the bike on its wheels and tried to ride on the side of the road. It worked. Not very good because the tire really no better capable of off-roading, but gentle with the clutch, adding power. Yeah. By the way, this was very steep climb, so maybe it would be different on more flat, but it wasn't here. So if you plan taking Continental Trail Attack 3 to some winter fun, don't. It won't be fun. Hello Subaru. Yeah, look here. I'm going, and now everything stops because the tire lost every traction it has before. The moment I get on the gravel, it goes fine. See? By the way, this is off-road settings with rally mode, ABS off, and all this stuff. Just put to off-road and rally, so there's no interruption from electronic systems. On the other hand, the day was nice. I had fun picking the bike from the ground. Only the plastic covers on the tank were scratched. Nothing really happened, nothing was damaged, only the plastic cover. I was kinda impressed. Yeah, look, isn't it beautiful? So I have to say the KTM guys know what they're doing, because the bike wasn't scratched anywhere else than on the plastic cover on the tank. I had to pull the bike on the ground to the side for a few meters, like 2 meters, and nothing important or nice was damaged, so kudos, I guess. Yeah, the day was nice. I had a little pause, I drank some coffee, started the bike, and was riding, making some footage. By the way, this grass, it looks dry, but it was wet. Especially inside, it was very wet. And again, the tire wasn't happy with this kind of surface. It was like spinning and spinning and spinning, propelling the bike forward. And again, as you can see, it's little climb. The tire wasn't very happy with this situation. No, it wasn't at all happy with the situation. And going down again, using both brakes, front, rear, there was no real stopping power. So yeah, take it as a review maybe, or experience from somebody who used these these tires for the first time. If you want to switch AVONs for something similar but different, yeah, this is it. If you want something to go off-road, don't take these tires. If you plan on staying on the road 90-95% of time, and the rest 5 to 10% of riding off-road is on forest roads or something with firm, solid surface, yeah, these tires will work. But as you can see, the moment there is some problem, the tire won't stick in off-road situations. On tarmac, though, on asphalt, these tires grip very well. It's like 8 degrees Celsius now, and these tires have like 200-250 kilometers, but they stick. And compared to AVON Trailriders, stock tires on this bike. These make the bike even more flickable. They let you put the bike into the curve even nicer, even more. You feel like switching from side to side is even easier than with AVONs. Guys, have fun, enjoy the video. I will do some more. Thanks for watching, have fun.